Hello everyone! After watching the video and doing a little bit of research on my own, I found a couple of fun facts that I would like to share with everyone. The sun is the closest thing to a perfect sphere that has been observed in nature. The temperature inside the sun can reach 15 million degrees Celsius. Eventually the sun will consume the earth. When all the hydrogen has been burned, the sun will continue for about 130 million more years, burning helium, during which time it will expand to the point that it will engulf Mercury, Venus, and the Earth. At this stage, it will become a red giant. The next fun fact would be the sun will one day be about the size of the Earth. After its red giant phase, the sun will collapse, retaining its enormous mass, but containing the approximate volume of our planet. When this happens, it will be called a white dwarf. Light from the sun takes about 8 minutes to reach Earth, and the sun travels at 220 kilometers per second.